Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing a nuuly review and clothing haul. If you don't know what nuuly is, it is actually like a rental clothing place where you can also buy items, but they're usually secondhand items, but from really great brands, and they're super fun. They really allow me to like explore with my style, so I really personally enjoy it. It is a very environmentally friendly choice because you do rent these items for a month and then you return them, or if you want to buy them you also can do that, and then you don't fill up your clothes as much and you're not constantly purchasing items for your closet. I do have a link if you want to use it to sign up. You do get a discount, so I will have the link down below in the description box. This video is not sponsored at all. This is just genuinely something that I've been using for a while. So I did pick one item that is a pair of jeans. This one I picked in the size 26. I haven't had the best luck with jeans when it comes to ordering or renting from nuuly. Actually, I feel like sometimes it is hard to get the correct size. The most issue I've had though is just with jeans or pants in general. Usually tops or sweaters or anything like that works perfectly fine, but when it comes to sizing you really need to read the reviews and see what people say, if it's oversized or not, and all that stuff to get a sense of what your correct size is. This is the Ribcage straight. I really like the fit of this one, but unfortunately it doesn't fully button up here, so that's kind of been an issue. I feel like I can't really like actually wear it like to many places because of that, so I wish I would have picked like a 27. I feel like that would have worked best. The bottom just looks like that. It's just simple, there's no distress or anything. The next thing is a green sweater. I thought this would be really cute. This is by the brand Callahan and it's knitwear. It's a size small. It just looks like that. I thought it was really cute. I love the detailing that it has as well. It's a cropped sweater, so I really like that. Okay, so this is this green kind of olive colored sweater. It's not like the most comfortable. Like it's kind of like a little bit stiff on the sleeves and a little bit tight right there, but other than that it's really like breathable. Like here it's lots of space, it's cropped, and that's kind of like the detailing over here. It's really cute, kind of like a braided style. I think it's really cute. The buttons are cute as well. I think it fits pretty well. Like maybe the arms are a little bit kind of weird, but I think I would definitely wear this, so I think I'll definitely get my use out of it. Next, I have seen these a lot where it's like you only wear kind of like the top. I don't know how to describe it, but it looks like this, where like there's like this right here where you only wear the top, you wear something under it. This is more like a higher neck, so it looks like that, and it's like a long sleeve. It's a little bit of a puffy sleeve, but it looks like that. I think this would be really cute with like a nice tank, like a black tank top underneath, but it looks really cozy. It feels really cozy. Yeah, so this one is from Anthropologie. Okay, so this I just put a little tank top under it. I feel like it's much cuter when you like show a little bit right there. I wish I had like one of those tank tops that kind of dips. I think that's what it would look best with. I just love this sweater situation here. I think it's super cute, and it's actually a pretty cozy like sweater, so I really like it. But that's what that looks like. It's just a cropped little sweater. This one that I got is from the brand Urban Outfitters, but it's like a nice long sleeve. It has like this different shape up here where it like doesn't cover your like arms as much, which I thought was really fun. I love like the detailing. It's like got little lines all over, and I love this look right here up top. The sleeves are very fun because they have like a slit right here, which I thought was really cute. Okay, I think this is super cute. I'm really happy with it actually. I think so far it has that slit as I mentioned, so it goes like this if you like put your hands like that. This is what I meant, like it shows a little bit of like your shoulders or just like your upper chest a little bit more than usual, but I think it's fun. I think it just like it's a little bit more fun and different, and that's what it looks like. I have a like strapless bra because I think that's best, so that you don't kind of show your straps if you don't want to. I think it kind of gives me like a little shape here, like, which I think is really nice. I really like it actually. I think it's super fun. Like this back looks like that, and we have the little string things right there. Another thing that I picked is actually a blazer. I've been so obsessed like with coats and stuff, but I've just been such a big fan of like jackets and blazers. Honestly, I feel like they're just like the perfect thing to like make your outfit more fun. So this is a cute little like checkered blazer. This is the brand ASTR, the label. It has little shoulder pads, really comfortable, and it looks like that. Pockets right here on the side. I'm gonna see. Oh, these are fake. Never mind, you know, because us girls are given fake pockets all the time. I'm putting the blazer on top of this top. This is what the blazer looks like. I think it's pretty cute actually. It's like a pretty like reasonable length. I think the checker detail is really nice. This one is also not a pocket, but that's okay. But that's what it looks like. If you button it up right here, then you kind of have a little bit more tighter, like my arms feel a little bit more tighter. I think it's a really cute look actually. I really like it, so I definitely think I'll be getting lots of use out of this, and you can also wear it with like black jeans or anything. The last thing that I actually picked is this sweater right here. I thought this was so fun. I love like the print. It's like such a wavy, like I don't know how to describe it, but it's so wavy, so fun, and it's the softest sweater. I am obsessed with it. I've been wearing it all day today. It's shorter but not like fully cropped, I don't think. It's like right at my belly button, but the sleeves fit me perfectly, and it's just like got this like fuzzy look to it. But it's super comfortable and not itchy at all. Okay, so this is how this sweater fits me. I really like it. It's super comfy. Again, like literally just so cozy. And these are the little kind of like swirls. They're super cute, super fun. I love the combination of like the not purple. I love the combination of like the white and also the brown. And it's pretty fitted actually. Don't forget to use my link to get a discount when you first sign up with Nuuly if you would like to. Genuinely, this video is not sponsored. I'm just sharing with you guys the pieces that I really have been loving. And if you want me to do more Nuuly reviews, since I get these every month for the most part, unless I pause it or anything, then let me know in the comments down below so I can keep showing you these pieces. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already. It truly helps out my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.